say 4-H is an organization that develops leadership skills and provides kids with so many different opportunities for their future, for scholarship purposes, experiences that will benefit them in their lives beyond 4-H. So I've been able to fill out those scholarships with so many different community service activities, leadership, and that's all because of my time in 4-H. So I'm very grateful that I've been able to be a part of this fantastic organization, and I think that everybody should as well. It's so much fun. And I'm so passionate about it. I am from Lubbock. I've been in 4-H for about 8 years now. Some of my projects include swine, gardening and horticulture, which is my favorite, consumer education, and food nutrition projects. I go to New Home ISD, and I plan to go to Texas A&M University in the fall and major in bioenvironmental science. I am the FFA president, chapter president. I'm also in National Honor Society. I'm the president of that as well. I'm in student council. I'm a yearbook editor.
This is my happy place.
I started out in 4-H when I was in 5th grade. My 8th grade year, I did a science fair project over hydroponics, and I really got interested in gardening and horticulture, and that's where my passion lies and where I figured that out. Hydroponics is growing plants without soil. Like that science fair project I did when I was in 8th grade was a comparison between hydroponically grown lettuce plants and traditionally grown lettuce plants. And like you could see growth overnight. It was ridiculous. So with all the urban sprawl and the growing population, the need for food is rising, and so the efficient methods of food production are so essential now more than ever. So that's where I really became an advocate for hydroponics.
My gardening partner.
I am an ambassador for my county, so for that I have called sponsors for the golf tournament. It's our biggest fundraiser for our county. A lot of people just go out and have fun, and that's what we want, but it does take a substantial amount of work to put on fundraisers and huge events like that. So just talking on the phone to those people and asking for money is also not always super comfortable, but but it's really benefited me and built my character and helped me be more confident in myself. I also recently, this fall, I had a large part in writing a grant for the project was hydroponics, the future of farming, and I was able to teach about 10 kids and their parents about hydroponics and how it works. So that was really exciting, and I was really glad to be able to lead that.
The pigs, so that's something.
I would say just get involved in anything or in everything, because you might not like every project or contest. That's okay, but you can also find other things. Like I would have never really tried gardening and horticulture. I still found my passion with plants through 4-H, being in gardening and horticulture projects. So, and that's going to be my future career. So yes, I would say just try everything, get involved.